Do you smile? No, you're not just like this. Do you smile? No, you're not just like this. Put some smile eyes on this guy. Whatever comes, comes to take. Do you smile? No, you're not just like this. Do you smile? No, you're not just like this. Put some smile eyes inside.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is chaotic.allure. Welcome if you're new. First things first, I just want to say that I apologize for being away for so long. I have not been posting for almost a month and a half and stuff, and I recently just posted this chaotic swim vlog. I've been working on my brand a little bit, so if you guys want to see that, check it out. I'm gonna leave it on the screen somewhere. But yeah, second thing I wanted to say was I know that my face is a little bit lighter than my body right now, and it's because I've been outside at the beach and in the sun with no sunscreen, kind of tanning. I like my little golden color right now. As you can see, my tan line matches my face and not my but yeah, now that these two important things are out of the way, this is the makeup that I have for you guys. It's a glossy lid, glossy lip, wet hair, very dewy. I have been rocking flowers in my hair, but if you guys want to know how I achieve this look, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on social media. Again, I'm gonna leave that somewhere on the screen. But yeah, let's get into the video. I don't know if you guys could see this, but I'm starting with my Clinique moisturizing gel. Yeah, 3 pumps. Taking my baby skin. So lately, you guys know I always use my e.l.f. brow pomade for my eyebrows. I've been using the NYX Tame and Frame tinted brow pomade, and I kind of and actually I really like it. So if you guys want a detailed tutorial on how I use this product, let me know. But for this look, I'm kind of more focused on the eye. Here I'm just kind of filling in my eyebrows. Because I recently got my eyebrows done, I don't think I need to go back with the concealer. So I'm just gonna put some concealer on my eyelids just so that it could be like a primer and base for my eyeshadow. So I kind of didn't feel the need to go and clean up my brows, because as you can see, they're still like, I'm getting the small ones, just blend in the concealer eyelid. Well, just gonna do my eyeliner. And I'm gonna go and apply my eyelashes. I know it looks white right now, but it's gonna dry clear, so that's why I really like using the clear one, because I always mess up when I'm putting my eyelashes. So anyway, after this, okay, I've been outside so much that my concealers are a little bit lighter than me. As you can see, my arm and my face are kind of like different tones, because when I wear makeup to go outside, my makeup, some of them have SPF in it, and I haven't had a chance to go and buy new concealer, so I'm gonna be using this, and I'm gonna be doing my makeup a little bit different. I'm gonna add my concealer first and then put my foundation over it, just so that it could tone it down a bit. But yeah, and it works for me for now, so yeah. And once my glue dries out, I'm gonna go back and fix in my lashes. So let me show you guys how I do this. Okay, so and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color medium beige. So you guys can see how light this is. I went back to using my Fit Me foundation during summertime because it's lightweight and it's really hot outside, so that helps too. And I'm using the Dewy One color 330 in the shade Toffee. Okay, anywho, so now for the fun part, I am just gonna be okay, so I'm taking a damp beauty blender. I'm gonna start blending the foundation into the concealer like this, right? And you see it kind of tone it down a bit, like it doesn't look all the same color. So I'm kind of like dragging the foundation onto the concealer. Okay, I mean, it still looks a little bit, you know, light, but it's something that we could work with. After we set it and things, it would look better. And don't forget, when I set the concealer using the Mercier again, now I'm gonna go back in to fix my eyelashes using this little thingy. I still don't know the name for it, so I haven't been making lately, I'm sorry. I just haven't. So I'm just gonna be using my again Fit Me powder 320, and I'm just gonna brush off the excess powder. And like I've said before in my videos, this is what gets rid of flashbacks for me. It's a little trick, and I do it every time I wake up because who would flashback in pictures? I mean, I don't. It still looks a little light, but because mostly it looks crazy right now because I have this bright ring light in front of me, but when I go outside in natural sunlight, it doesn't look bad at all. And I will show you guys in pictures and things at the end or on the thumbnail, you'll see. So yeah, and this is my fault because I love the beach, I love the pool, and I love the sun. And guess what? Your girl don't like wearing sunscreen, so it's kind of my fault that I let this get so bad. Like, you can see how light I used to be compared to now. I'm mad tan. So next, I'm taking my Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion thing. I need to start using new bronzers. Can you guys give me some ideas of what I could use? And I feel like the bronzer is my actual skin tone right now, which is hilarious. Then my nose. I'm taking this old spun gold coral blush, and I'm just gonna be applying that all over. And generously, I'm just gonna dab because it's like this pinkish, sparkly, shiny blush, but I feel like it goes so well with the orange eye. So I'm just kind of dabbing that first, like this. I went ahead and I highlighted my face, kind of the moment you guys been waiting for. I am using this lip gloss from KIELHS. I have no idea. I will spell it somewhere on the screen. And it's on, and I see Everest. And I'm taking this again. I'm taking this lip gloss. I'm adding a little bit onto the brush like this, and I'm just gonna spread it around on my lid. And I'm kind of starting in the middle, and then I'm moving towards like the front. And then I'm moving back and I add just a little bit more. And then I do this. Like this. Okay. As you guys know, I always use this, which is almost done. I always use my Salem Lime Crime as a lip liner, like this. And then I'm just gonna add this same lip gloss that I use for my eyelids, and I'm just gonna voila, I'm all done. I actually kind of want to put some more highlight because I don't think that it's, you know, super crazy like I like it. So I'm just gonna highlight a little bit more just to make it pop. Because earlier I did my highlight, but my camera kind of died and I didn't notice until after I was done. And okay. And I'm using this Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara that I picked up at Target, and I'm just gonna setting spray from NYX is the Dewy Finish. So, since this is kind of a wet look, like a wet look kind of,
Take my kitchen to Malaysia.